Hold here, hold here. Let me see your fucking hands right now. Open the door or what? Open the fucking door, dude. Gosh damn. Let me see your fucking hands. Hold here, hold here. Let me see your fucking hands right now. Shots fired, shots fired. Go, one suspect down, one suspect down. Black male. He has one gun on the side. He's no gun right now. Hold the air, okay? Math, get inside, get inside. Let me see your hands, man.
I can't move.
All right, we'll keep it there, all right, bro? I'll get you help as soon as I can. Let's see fucking hands. Hold here, hold here. Let's see fucking hands right now.
Tourniquet.
I know, I got you.
Tourniquet.
Put a tourniquet right here. Okay. Move it up. All right, it's gonna hurt a little bit, okay? It's gonna hurt a little bit.